morning. Welcome back to a day in the life with Daphne's Bird Barn. My name is Misty. I'm going to show you what it's like when I feed my birds, because there's lots of them. So bear with me just a second and we'll go ahead and get started. These are my free turkeys and ducks. And I just throw it on the ground because, well, there's a lot of them and they just destroy the feeders. Oh, the wind's blowing, and we're locked in the coop. Hey, honey penny. Hi, baby. She's my spoiled girl. This is her son, Heinz. Okay, now. Oh, hey girls, these are my nesting mama ducks. There we go. They come out especially to eat. So that food was for Knox and his ladies. This is Knox and his ladies. That's Mama. That little girl back there don't have a name yet. There you go. Okay, now we're on our way to Creeper and his girls. And yes, his name suits him. He's a creeper. There's Creeper, and Creeper has 3 ladies. And the ladies have laid good today. There's 4 eggs out. Okay, this is Blue, and he has 2 girls in here. The other lady snuck over into Pickles' pen. I gotta catch her. And Pickles, his other lady, is in with the Bourbon Reds. Here's Rascal. Hi, baby. He's a good puppy. Huh? Are you a good puppy? Yeah, you're a good puppy, huh? Good boy. Come on. There we go. And this big guy, he doesn't have a name. He has 3 ladies. The other one's over there. And that one belongs with Pickles over there. There you go, guys. Okay. 2 more pens to feed. Hi, Camel. Hi, Kiki. Hi, baby. In case you're wondering, I normally have a bigger can that I use to fill this little can up. But I can't carry it and hold the phone at the same time to video. So, these are my 3rd set of Royal Palm breeding sets. And, well, the ducks sneak in there. These are, we call them the penguin ducks. They can lay eggs, but they cannot reproduce. Their eggs are not fertile. They're some sort of like a mule duck. I bring a full can over with me to feed Pickles' pen. Let's see if my little girl will come out. She's got a hurt foot. But ducks do not like to be touched or handled or anything. So I only pick her up every now and then and check on her. That's Buble. He doesn't have any women. And Baby. She's always where the food is. Come on, ducky, ducky. Ducky, ducky, ducky. Just put hers on the ground here. Hopefully she'll come out, but here's Pickles. This is Cooper's turkey. We've had him since he's EB baby. That's one of his ladies. The gray one belongs with Blue. His other lady has snuck over there with the Bourbon Reds, and I'll have to go get her out. Here we go. Looks like I gotta fix that. My makeshift fix job for when it was gonna rain really hard. That'll be in an episode of Fix It Friday, as everybody in these turkey pens here, they all need some sort of a shelter built that's big enough for them. And these are just their temporary breeding pens. They're only in here for a few months out of the year, and then they are out in the big pen, which is about 2 acres, which I'm going to fence off starting here. I'm going to bring it down around over there on that fence, and then I'm going to seed again out in here. But this is the big pen. We call that the spaceship, and that is the deer feeder. It works great for feeding them their scratch and stuff when everybody's out there. There's their big log that they like in my neighbor's house. And then we come over here, and this is the pond that we're working on. We keep getting it filled, but it's still got leaks in it. I was trying to let it empty all the way before I filled it again, but then we had like a couple weeks worth of rain, so it got some more water in it. But I'll go through and I'll clean and I'll patch holes, and then we'll refill it. Some of my husband's trees that are growing that he went and planted. So this one, oh, this one's got leaves on it now. Ta-da! It's growing. But as you can tell just from walking around the pens here feeding everybody, there is a lot of work that needs to be done here. And it's wouldn't be this bad, but before my husband met me, he was depressed, and he kind of let the place go a lot. So there's a lot of stuff that needs fixed. The birds came after we met. Easy, rascal. And so and it was just the big part, the big pen, and then the small coop that we built together. And then after he passed is when I built the separate pens for the turkeys for the breeding season, because their eggs can bring in quite a bit of money for feed and stuff for them. Hi, Camel, I hear you. And yeah, so here's the project that'll be going on during one of our Fix-It Fridays. This is it's called the baby coop. And this is where after they come out of the brooder pen, the brooder box inside the house that I normally have, which I didn't raise any chicks this year. But they go in there, and this is a pen that we built together. This is the little baby pen that I was telling you about that needs to be repaired and fixed. Started off as just a little rectangular run in front of this little house here. And then we had so many chicks that my husband added this trampoline frame in. And then because we wanted them to have even more room, we added that trampoline frame in. And so I'll need to take down all the wiring and string it all the way around, because right now it's just fenced individually. And I'd like to change that and have it fenced all the way around here, around this post right here. And then I will add in a new gate right here to the fence that goes here to the little coop. So, but that's the little coop I was telling you about for what plans I need to do. Okay, now I'm going to feed the birds some corn. This little guy some right here. He's in there. Come on, ducks! And the ducks took off, so throw it in there for them. That's just half a can. These guys get a full can of corn. Hi, BB. So I'll do a little over half. They'll get a little. I don't like to give them corn, but it is a good filler for them. Keeps them fat, keeps them happy. And then I won't do this on camera, but I've got to fill both waters today. They dumped that one over. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.